Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. For this video, I'm going to open up another dollar bead box and bag. And in case you're new to this, the dollar bead box and bag are monthly bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to online. And they also offer sometimes some other like deals and stuff. And they also have an online store, which I have gone and bought from their online store. And it is awesome because you can buy everything for $1. But in order to do that, you have to be a member. So I recommend that you go to their website. I will leave a link for their website down there in the description bar below this video, so you can go check them out and read all the information about their monthly subscriptions. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I made a playlist for you guys, because every time I get a box, I make a tutorial or two, depending on what I can come up with and if I have enough time to do it. And I have the dollar bead box playlist, and in the playlist I have where I've opened up the boxes, and I also have the videos there that I've made, the tutorials with the stuff that I get in the box. So for this video, let's open up the box and see what's inside. So I have the dollar bead bag here, which is the first subscription. I'm going to show you guys. Oh, yes. So this was in a previous box in a 4mm, and now I have it in 3, and I love it. It's so pretty. It's so unusual looking. Okay. So, let's see. First I'm going to do the 3mm. And the first 3mm is butterscotch. Let's see. Which I don't know which one of these is butterscotch. There's butterscotch, crystal, electric, yellow, and green. So this one is probably the butterscotch, which is kind of a transparent yellow. Actually, I would say an opal yellow, because I've seen a lot of check beads like this, and they call them opal. But this is not shiny, it has a matte finish to it. So that's pretty, and it's nice to have yellow, because it's a bead that I actually can't find very many beads in yellow. My yellow selection is very sad. Very, very sad. And so this one's probably the crystal, electric, yellow, and green. This is really cool. I'm thinking this is like in the magic color line, because I have colors like this, but I have them in blue and purple, and they're really pretty. It's actually like a clear bead that they put a coating over. If you look closely at it, you could see it's clear. And then the next 3mm is opaque turquoise blue zircon, which is this one that I love so much. And then this one is the Seafoam Opal AB, and this is gorgeous. Love it. And then 4mm, we have matte crystal, which is this one. Then there's crystal yellow lined, matte crystal AB, matte crystal AB. Then there's crystal fern. So these two are matte. One's matte crystal, one's, okay, this is the matte crystal AB. That's what I'm thinking. It kind of has gray to it, as you could see. And I think I got this last time, or one similar to it, in a 3mm, and I made really neat rings with it. And then this is the matte crystal. Very pretty. And then we have the lined ones. I'm looking for crystal yellow lined. Okay. So that's this one here. And crystal just means clear. It's not actually a crystal bead. That's pretty. And this is the crystal fern green lined. Again, very pretty. Okay, I like these. So I'm going to put these back into the bag, and now we're going to see what's in the box. Okay, so they have these elephants again. I got these in the last subscription. They were turquoise and it was silver or gold. I can't remember, but oh my gosh, they were so pretty. I love the elephant beads. They're so cute. Really cute. Okay, so that's the elephants, and I'm not doing it in order. I'm supposed to start with the strands. Okay, so let's see. Here are the strands, and the rest is in baggies. Yes. Okay. So number 1, strands. I'm looking for 6mm check glass 2-hole square, which is this here, Checkmates. This is a very pretty strand. It looks like cornelian gemstone. The color of it, it's very pretty. I have a really neat bracelet that I designed with these beads, this kind of bead, and I need to do a video on it, but I've just had so many projects and lined up. I have so many, just endless projects that I need to do videos on. And then after that, I'm looking for 5mm check glass melon, cyan or amethyst, 40 pieces. So that's this here. This is the cyan. And cyan is a bright red color. Whenever you're online and you're looking for check beads and it says cyan, it's usually a bright red. And this kind of looks dark in my camera view, but it is a bright red color. Those are pretty. And then I'm looking for 6 by 8mm check glass tabular oval. This here. Aqua opal or sapphire. And I'm thinking this is the sapphire. And there's 25 pieces. This is pretty. I've not got this bead shape yet. This must be one of their new beads that they brought back from the Czech Republic. It's very pretty. I like the colors. It's not just a plain bead. I like the patterns on it. And then we have 6mm check fire polish crystal copper lined. This one, 6mm. This looks like a 5 to me. I don't know why it looks smaller. Yeah, crystal copper lined. No, not lined. It's luster. That's what's throwing me off. It's very pretty. It has a pinkish look to it. I don't know if the camera is showing it, but it kind of has a pink look to it. And then after that we have 8mm check fire polish crystal vintage vitral, 16 pieces, and that's this strand here. This looks really neat. It kind of looks like crystal quartz. When you look through the beads, see how it's not like really clear? It almost has like a crystal quartz look to it. Those are cool. And then the last strand is 9mm check glass tabular square turquoise with travertine. And I want to say that I have gotten the same exact strand before. I made a lariat necklace with it. It was really cool. A lot of you made that necklace and posted it on Facebook. But I've used these before in a previous project, and I just love them. They're so pretty. And again, if you're a subscriber to the Dollar Bead Box and you go online to their website, you can buy things for $1 each, and this strand is going to be $1. Look how long it is. There's a lot of beads in this strand. If you were to go to Michael's, this strand would be $6. Very expensive. So it's amazing that you can get it for $1. And even if you hit a Michael's sale, you're still not going to get this strand for $1. There's just no way. It's crazy. Okay, and now going to the additional items, I'm looking for... Oh, there's a turtle. 20mm check glass elephant. So that's these. I already checked these out. I love them so much. It's my favorite thing in the box. And the next thing is 12mm faceted crystal round, 1 piece. 12mm. So that's this bead here. And this looks like it's a check bead. And I say that because of the hole. Do you see the hole? How it's not sharp, it's not rough. It's a very nice smooth hole. It's not going to cut your thread. That's what makes me think it's check. It's pretty. It's like a disco ball. Ooh. I'm gonna drop it on the floor. The next thing is pewter Chinese symbol. This here, I wonder what this means. It's a little charm. And then after that is the turtle, and I am a huge fan of turtles. It's my favorite animal. I have several pet turtles. I have a pet turtle, and I named him Myrtle. It's the best turtle name, Myrtle the turtle. He's very cute. I actually have a turtle charm that I wear every day. It's stainless steel, and it's just a little bit smaller than this one. It's very cute. And then the next thing is heart and key toggle. And I got one of these in the last box, I want to say. But that one was antique brass. This one looks like it's copper. Antique copper. It's cute. And then after that, I'm looking for 18mm Swarovski twist bead. So this is Swarovski crystal, and I always put the Swarovski symbol on the little card thing. Ooh, that is so pretty. That's really pretty. That's gorgeous. I love that. The next thing is 14mm check glass table cut. This brown opal or it's brown opal with travertine. Kind of looks red. Maybe it's my lighting. Well, that is such an unusual looking bead. It's a really weird shape. It looks like it's ancient. It looks like a really old piece. It's pretty cool. And the next thing after that is 6mm check glass bicone, alabaster white with travertine. Am I missing something? I think I might be missing something. Oh, here it is. Yeah, so I looked at that, This here. So these bicones, I've gotten them before in previous dollar bead boxes, and they were usually on strands, and they were opaque colors. I've also gotten them in transparent colors, and I made some really neat things with them. Because of their shape, how they're flat, they actually sew together really nicely, and they don't spin because they have those flat sides. They just piece together like little puzzle pieces. If that makes sense. But these are cool. I like colors like this. I always look for colors just like this. It's my favorite. Travertine and the Picassos. Oh, they're my weakness. And the next thing is 4x7mm check glass rondelle, matte black. These here. I love these. These are really weird. Always like unusual things to work with. Well, so I have little flat disc beads. They're thinner than this, but I've never had a shape like this. Those are really strange. I like them a lot though. And the last thing is brass stamped butterfly, which is this here. And I got a butterfly like this in a previous dollar bead box, but I want to say that one was bigger and it had antennas. It was a different shape. And I'd wanted to use it, but I never end up using it. But things like this with filigree, you can actually wire beads onto this, or you can use thread and you can, you know, bead this entire thing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but that is something that I would like to do eventually, is to do some bead work with filigree. I think that would be really pretty. It's a very beautiful butterfly. So I have to say I am totally stumped right now. I don't know what I'm gonna make at all with this box. But I usually always finding something to do. There's some pretty things. I really love the elephants and the turtle. I'm a huge turtle fan. Actually, my mom loves elephants and I'm the turtle freak. And here are the other beads. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry we've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.